up? It's your girl, Unconditional Erlene, and we gonna make some body butter. Well, at least try, because I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Exhibit A. I don't know what this is. I called myself trying to make a cotton candy blend with pink and blue, but my blue turned out to be this color. So yeah, I think I used too much dye. So we gonna see how this results turn out. I got my piping bag, but it don't stretch worth of nothing. But yeah, we just gonna use shea butter, vitamin E oil, sweet almond, cornstarch to bring down the oiliness. My color this time gonna be a couple drops of orange, and my fragrance is gonna be, my fragrance is gonna be orange creamsicle. I got my little setup with I'm recording this on my cellular phone. You in my business? Don't do that. Okay, so anyway, I got my jars over here drying. This is a, experimental session. I mean, practice makes perfect, right? So let's get to it. All right, 1 1/3 complete. We're gonna use 1/3 cup. No, I'm sorry, a half a cup. Half a cup of any carrier oil that you have. Bloop, 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 bloop. Jet dry. I'm so corny, y'all. Don't mind me. Okay. Vitamin E oil. Sorry about that. I had my elbow all in your face. And we're going to let this melt slowly using our double boil system. Voila. But no, for real. Oh, can y'all see me? Okay, so last night I tried this, but I was going to do the no boil method. And when I added the cornstarch to the no boil method, it's kind of grainy. I ain't like that. So we gonna boil it this time. I'll be back.
Hey y'all, I'm so sorry I was not able to film the ending of this, but here we are. Orange creamsicle body butter. After I boiled it, I put my fragrance, I let it cool, I blended it and piped it. So voila, here we are. Like, comment, subscribe. So sorry for the inconvenience.